Oh hi, I didn't see you there. I'm just polishing my Deep Racer Championship trophy from the AWS Summit in Chicago. Okay, hello Cloud Gurus, how y'all doing? My name's Scott Pletcher. That's right, this week you get me, intrepid instructor, Deep Racer devotee, and SageMaker saboteur. And do I ever have some interesting announcements like the new ISV program, Endpoint Policies, and CloudFormation makes it rain with a slew of new updates. Last but not least, we will reveal this week's Guru of the Week winner and release our new question. Let's get this thing going. Amazon has announced a new ISV Workload Migration Program to help customers migrate their ISV workloads to AWS. Now, if you're not familiar with the term ISV, it stands for Independent Software Vendor. And these companies create and sell software designed for the mass market, or maybe a niche market. This new program targets existing APN technology and APN consulting partners to create repeatable and consistent migration processes designed to streamline the migration of ISV workloads to AWS. The program provides 3 specific benefits for companies that qualify. The first benefit is technical enablement in the form of migration playbooks. These playbooks provide guidance and repeatable steps to migrate ISV workloads. The second benefit is up to 10 to 15% investment in AWS credits or cold hard cash towards the migration, which is a pretty sweet reason to be part of the program in the first place. And lastly, APN partners will get access to go-to-market support, such as opportunities to market their migration services through speaking engagements or blog posts, as well as access to marketing agency support. Check out the link in the resource section if you or your company is interested in the program. Amazon have announced new endpoint policies. Endpoint policies are IAM resource policies that you attach to VPC interfaced endpoints. By default, a policy is attached to an interface endpoint, allowing full access to resources in your account. With this new endpoint policy feature, you can add and define actions that an entity can perform on your resources. This helps further reduce your attack surface and employ the principle of least privileges. At the time of release, only a handful of services support endpoint policies, such as code build, code commit, ELB, SQS, SNS, and so on. So make sure to check out the docs in the link below to see if endpoint policies can help you. Amazon CloudFormation has had a lot of updates in the past week and have also announced new resource types. The service has updated resources for EC2 hosts, routes and VPN connections, ECS clusters, S3 buckets, and many more, which can be found in the link on screen. On top of these updates, CloudFormation has added support for Amazon Managed Streaming for Kafka, AWS Client VPNs, and Amplify Console. With CloudFormation support for Amplify, you can now repeatably and reliably deploy Amplify Console resources when creating your next app. Amazon EC2 X1 and X1E instances are now available in the AWS Gov Cloud region. If you work for government agencies or companies that require high security and compliance for your workloads, you can now make use of these instance types. X1 and X1E instance types are memory optimized and specifically designed to run large-scale applications like big data workloads or in-memory databases such as SAP's HANA. Speaking of GovCloud, do check out our latest ACG course, AWS Gov Cloud, Beyond the Buzzwords. This course delivers a straight dope on GovCloud and all that it entails, including the who, what, when, where, how, and why. And finally, let's get into the Guru of the Week. We're going to be selecting the winner of our 2019 AWS reInvent ticket in the next week or so get in now for your chance to win. The correct answer to this week's question was B. There were a lot of great answers, but this week our Guru of the Week winner is Drew Drakova, a cloud engineer from Toronto, Canada. We were impressed by the clear structure of his explanation on SQS FIFO queues and the simple and concise explanation of the differences between long polling and short polling. Congratulations, Drew. A Cloud Guru t-shirt, sticker, and hand-signed card is on its way. And as mentioned before, you also go in the running to win an AWS reInvent 2019 ticket. For all you other gurus, check out our new Guru of the Week question, which is now live on our Facebook page. And that, my friends, is all the AWS news that is fit to report this week. You've been watching AWS This Week with me, Scott Pletcher. Make sure to tune in next week for the next AWS This Week. Keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus.